So finally, they have announced image generation using Bird. Simply, you can type a prompt and then it will generate an image. In this case, I'm writing create an image of a cat, and it is giving me these two images of a cat. Good thing is that you can also download by pressing this button. Then I type in the create an image of a soldier. Then it gave me these three pictures. Uh, and then I went on saying, draw beautiful girl, dark hair, gray eyes, this and that. It gave me these pictures. And again, soldiers with different nationalities. This is the prompt for images for the action game, and it gave me two images. But if you want to generate more, you can just click on generate more and it will give you more pictures. As you can see, it is taking some time. And there you go. You have two more pictures. So my first impression is that it is a good start. Like the quality is not the best for now, but I think they'll improve it by time. So for now, it is a good start. At least we get generating images for free. Before it was like a paying thing on Midjourney and Discord or Lexica. These were the platforms, but they have a paid version. But in Bird, it's a free thing. So go try, check it out, and give your feedback, and let's see how they improve in the future. Thank you.